A great game of averages. A program called TAG was initiated by our Honorable Chairman Sir is really a game changer. Hope you all agree with me. So Sayali, could you explain what's its impact and has TAG really been the synonym of collaborative learning? Can you please tell me the output of this program?
TAG, the Great Game of Averages, is a program launched by our chairman, Dr. E. Prasad Rao sir. It is not just a program for below average or average children. It is a program for everyone. How does this program actually work? In this program, each class is divided into 6 groups, and each group has a leader. The leader is selected on the basis of their communication skills, leadership qualities, and academics. First, what do? First, we make a weekly plan for the entire week so that it is easy for us to understand things. In that weekly plan, we write about what subject topics we want to talk about, and during our free plan, we execute it. There are a lot of cases where even the leader does not know few topics. What happens? The other children come to the rescue. Our chairman sir and our school believes that when we explain the topic to others, we understand it 90% better than other learning concepts. It is a program in which the old ways of learning don't impose their old ways of traditions on us. Personally, I was in the top 10 before this program was implemented, but after this program was implemented, I've gone to top 5. Not just me, all my other classmates' average percentages have also gone up. We are so thankful to our chairman, Dr. E. Prasad Rao sir, for implementing such a great program. This is just like a synonym for holistic learning, and this improves our leadership skills and modes of communication. Thank you.
Thank you, Sayali. Thank you for your views. Grade Readiness Immersive Program. GRIP has really been a boon for academically challenged friends in our school. How can you justify my statement, Jaipura?
Grade Readiness Immersive Program is a prestigious program introduced by our beloved Chairman Sir. It aims at the improvement of our academic performance with effective time management. It is a great platform which makes us understand the basic concepts easily. In GRIP, we team up into 6. There is a leader and an assist leader and 4 learners. Resources are the integral part of the engagement. We collaborate, guide, scaffold each other and improve performances right to reading, analytical, basic skills. The learning becomes so vibrant just because we sit with our friends and having no barriers whatsoever. Leaders and assist leaders take the lead and responsibility of the learners within the group. The learning becomes very interesting as resources planned and used create curiosity to learn effortlessly. I personally was in the GRIP program. I had challenges with reading Hindi. So after the GRIP program, I'm so happy to share that not only reading, writing has also improved by leaps and bounds. To my personal experience, what I came to know is for reading challenges, understanding the basic concepts, analytic challenges, GRIP is the Vajrayuda. Thank you for our chairman sir for his novel program which helped hundreds of students. Thank you.
మంచి నడవడికను కోల్పోతే అన్నీ కోల్పోయినట్లే అంటారు. మన మత గ్రంథాల్లో ఉన్న సారాన్ని అర్థం చేసుకుని మంచి విలువలను పాటించినట్లయితే ఈ ప్రపంచమే ఒక అందమైన ప్రదేశంగా మారుతుంది. నా ఉద్దేశంలో మన పారమితాలో నిర్వహిస్తున్న ధర్మ తరగతులు నేనన్నట్టుగా విద్యార్థుల వ్యక్తిత్వ వికాసానికి ఎంతో తోడ్పడుతున్నాయి. అసలు ఈ ధర్మ తరగతులు మన జీవితాలని ఎలా క్రమబద్ధీకరిస్తున్నాయి?
అవును, మంచి నడవడికలను కోల్పోతే అన్నీ కోల్పోయినట్లే. కనుక ధర్మో రక్షతి రక్షితః అనగా ధర్మాన్ని మనం కాపాడితే ధర్మం మనల్ని కాపాడుతుంది. మేము ధర్మాలో రామాయణ మహాభారతాల గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాం. రామాయణంలో రాముడు ఎంత గొప్ప పాలన చేశాడో రాముడి రాజ్యపాలన గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాము. మహాభారతంలో కృష్ణుడు అర్జునునికి బోధించిన దాన్ని భగవద్గీతగా చేసుకొని తెలుసుకున్నాము. ఇలా రామాయణ మహాభారతాల గురించి తెలుసుకుంటూ ఇతరులకు నీతి కథలు చెప్పడానికే ఈ ధర్మ. కనుక మేము రామాయణ మహాభారతాలతో పాటు 4వ అధ్యాయం 3వ అధ్యాయం శ్లోకాలను నేర్చుకున్నాము. వేదాలు, వేదాంగాలు, ఉపనిషత్తులు ఇవన్నీ ఈ ధర్మాలో మేము తెలుసుకున్నాము. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for sharing your reflections and opinions.